Collaboration lets you work on your notes with colleagues in real time. To get started, go to the share icon on your top toolbar. Collaborate is the default option for sharing notes out of Apple Notes, so you might not need to change it. You can choose permissions for your notebook to determine who can access your document. It can either be only the people you've invited or anyone with the link. You can also control who can edit the document. Can make changes allows everyone you invite to make changes to the document. View only will let them view the notes without making any changes to them. Lastly, you can allow others to invite people to the collaboration. But if you want to control who is invited, then we suggest you turn this off. This option is only available when you're sharing with specific people and they can make changes to your document. The best way to share a collaboration document is via messages. It is the only way to share documents you're working on with invited people. Once you start collaborating, Apple Notes displays a cursor showing who is typing and where. By default, participant cursors is turned on, but you can turn it off if you don't want to see it and if you find it distracting. The collaboration icon houses some options for your collaboration. Tapping message brings up the people you're collaborating with to start a conversation with them. Messages then automatically creates a thread under the document. You can also start a FaceTime video or audio call with people you're collaborating with. On the iPhone, you can only do this with one person at a time though. Below your communication options, the app displays a summary of the latest updates made to your notes in your absence. You can tap Show Updates to expand the summary and see all the activity on the document. You will get a list of all the changes that have been made. You can also access it by going to Show All Activity a bit further down. Apple Notes tells you who did what and when they did it. Tapping on the changes highlights them. This only works on typed notes, not on handwritten ones. Show Highlights displays who made what changes on the left side of the screen. You can bring this up by swiping to the right and hide it by swiping to the left from anywhere on your screen. Manage Shared Note opens a pop-up window that lists everyone collaborating on your document. Tapping on a person's name gives you options to control each participant's permissions. You can choose if they can make changes or not. You can also decide if they can add people to the collaboration. When you no longer want to work with them, you can remove access to block them from the notes. Back on the main window, you can share with more people to invite more people to collaborate on your notes. Highlight all changes if you want any changes to be highlighted. It makes them easier to spot. Turning this off removes the permanent highlighter that tracks all the changes in the document. And you can also hide alerts. You will not receive any notifications when someone makes changes. Alerts come to messages and the notification center when you're collaborating. Share options controls all the permissions for everyone, exactly like you get when you first share the notes. You can copy link to share it with more people, or stop sharing with everyone to stop collaborating on your notes. When someone invites you to collaborate on a document via messages, tap on the notebook to retrieve its contents. Then go to Open to start collaborating. When you don't have permissions to make changes, you will only view the document. Tapping on the screen won't bring up the keyboard, so you can't type anything. Your options under the collaboration icon remain the same, regardless of whether or not you can make changes to the notes. As a participant, under Manage Shared Note, you will be able to either turn on or turn off highlighted changes. And you can also hide alerts. You also have the option to copy link.